Hello guys, it's Ri and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my February bullet journal, and this month's theme I'm doing a hearts flower bouquet theme, and in the spirit of Valentine's Day I'm doing a lot of heart doodles with different shades of pink, and I hope you guys really like it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the family, and let's head on into the video. I'm starting off this cover page by drawing some stems with different sizes of hearts on them, and I'm doing two styles of hearts, one that's small and filled in black, and the other is open and it's a bigger heart. When drawing these heart flowers, I found it easiest to draw the stem first and then draw the hearts on top. And for the open ones, just draw the stem, then draw a heart, then draw a line connecting that heart to the next heart above it. To fill in the open hearts, I'm using different shades of pink from my Crayola Super Tip markers, and I'm going to alternate each of the colors for the string of hearts. This next page is my huge monthly calendar spread, and I wrote the title February on top, and I'm drawing the different boxes below, and I made each of the boxes 6 by 6. I think the monthly calendar is one of my most used pages in my bullet journals, just because it really helps me plan things out, and that's why I tried to make the boxes a little bit bigger this time, so I could try to fit in more bullet points of things I need to get done on that day on this calendar itself. And to tie in the theme, I'm doodling some of those flower bouquet patterns right under the monthly goals. Now I'm just coloring the hearts and adding some highlights of pink to some of the titles and the numbers on the calendar as well. This next page is a habit tracker page, and we're still pretty fresh into the new year, so it's really important to make sure I stay on track with these habits. So I'm doodling 6 different mini calendars for 6 of the habits that I want to track throughout February. Now moving on to the mood tracker, I want to keep it pretty minimal this month, so I am drawing 28 large hearts, and I'll number those in, and in between I'm drawing tiny little black hearts to kind of tie them all together. This final page of the February bullet journal is week 1, and I'm drawing 5 big boxes for Monday to Friday and 2 smaller boxes for the weekend. Alright guys, so here's the final flip through of my February bullet journal. I'm really liking how this turned out. I love the pops of pink and the hearts for February, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And if you do, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!